Different students take BBA as a course in the college. As you all know, it is a non-technical degree.
Mm-hmm.
So how relevant is coding knowledge for these type of students?
Okay. So any of the course which requires administration part, right? Whether it is BBA, whether it is MBA, I would explain you from the corporate level, right? Whenever the people who have these roles, they come into the corporate organization, what they are expected to do, right? You see the hierarchy of the corporate as this way. There is a higher hierarchy which ideate on the thoughts, which decide like what we need to do. Okay. Then there are a core technical developers who know how to convert that things to some software development part. Just give me a minute.
Yes.
Okay. So what you know is that in the corporate ladder, there is a one person or a group of person who is deciding on what to do. Okay. There is a person who know what to do, right? Like who can convert your thoughts, whatever you are thinking of, in a set of, you can say the coding tools, software tools, which you can help to gain out whatever you wanted. There is a one middle layer. They are called as business analysts, product manager, product developers. What they do is that they convert the ideation thought back into the thought of the coding developer people. Okay.
Okay.
So if you think, I would just give you an example. Many of the people use Swiggy, right? There is a there is a vision by the whoever is the founder of the Swiggy. They thought that they would need to deliver something to the people just by the click of the mobile button. Okay. And there are people who have developed all the application and all. But it is not the whole truth or no whole theory of the Swiggy as a corporate. What they needed is that there was a person who understand the thought of the people, explain them to developer in a simpler terms, or you can say more technical term to them. Whatever is the business language, convert it into the technical language, and then help them solve the problem. This is where the BBA part, MBA part, they all come in. They know the process and they convert the process, they solve the technicality and give it to the people. I think that's where it comes. So if you ask me of the coding language, right, I won't say there is an explicit coding language required, but at least you know how the things work, right? Like if you know the AI, you don't need to know what is machine learning or what is deep learning to work on that. You just know what are the prompts you can use to get the result. That's what the information you need from the coding perspective. Know how things work. Don't know how to make the things work. Just know how the things work. It's okay.